Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Gmail to Notion. Click your workspace name at the bottom left to open the account menu. A drop-down menu appears with your workspace settings and preferences. Select Settings from the menu to open the Preferences panel. The Settings window opens with a sidebar on the left showing different configuration categories. Click Connections in the sidebar to view all available integrations. You'll see a grid of service icons you can connect to your workspace, including Gmail, Slack, Google Drive, and other productivity tools arranged in rows. Click the Gmail icon to open the AI Connector setup screen. A panel slides in from the right showing the Gmail integration details and authorization options. Close the connector panel by clicking the X in the top right corner. The panel slides away, and you're back at the Connections grid. Close the Connections panel the same way to return to your main workspace. You'll see your regular workspace view with any pages and content you had open. Now, to test it, type /Gmail on a page. A text formatting menu briefly appears as you type, and then disappears once Notion recognizes the command. You'll see a /command prompt appear in line where your cursor is positioned. Open your workspace menu again at the bottom left and select Settings. The Settings window opens once more with the same sidebar layout. Click Connections in the sidebar to return to the Integrations panel. The grid of service icons reappears showing all your available connections. Click the Gmail icon once more to open the AI Connector screen. You'll see the same setup options ready for you to authorize the connection whenever you're ready to complete the linking process. The authorization button sits in the center of the panel waiting for you to approve access. When you authorize the Gmail connection, Notion will ask you to choose which Google account to link and approve email access permissions. Once connected, you can use the /Gmail command on any page to search your inbox, insert email threads, or create linked references to specific messages. If you ever want to disconnect Gmail, head back to the Connections panel, click the Gmail icon, and you'll see an option to remove the integration. And that's how to connect Gmail to Notion. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.